Who is this young boy on my screen? How do I get him off? What is he still doing there? I can answer all of these questions and more with this quick Hello, my name is Carson Kompon. I make dumb things, and you should look at them. Look at all these dumb things I did. Here's me burning my hand. Here's me burning my hand again. Here's me not burning my hand. Here's both clips of me burning my hand played at the same time. While the things I make are dumb, they're also completely functional. Look at this cardboard piano. I made it work as a controller in a video game. Look at my head. I said look at it. But what can you expect from me in the future? Well, you can expect more of what I've been making, and also maybe some other stuff, such as game development, software development, general development, I don't know. And so much more! If you press that little gray subscribe button in the bottom of the video, or in the top right of my channel, you don't really get anything. It's really just a waste of your time. So obey my every command and press that subscribe button, maybe even like the video, and consider checking out my other stuff I do, which you can find on my About page. Thanks for watching.